Got to figure out why my second camera not working right now. I don't know what's going on. It's this battery. Every time you turn the camera on and turn it back off, that battery kind of jiggle loose. I don't know if it's a thing with GoPros or what, but now it should work. Yes sir, rolling live. We are rolling live. Make sure my mic is in. My mic is in. Alright, we out. Oh wow. See, that's how we doing it today. Just jumping in front of folks. I wanted to get a bucket of chicken from KFC. But before I did that, I wanted to go to Walmart and get my own side. Alright, I guess I'll go before you then. I was thinking about getting some macaroni and cheese. And also maybe some broccoli. Some broccoli with whole mushrooms. What y'all think about whole mushrooms? A little bit rainy today. It just cleared up a little bit on the streets. As you can see, it's still cloudy. Hopefully I can get in and out of the Walmart before the rain come back. The forecast said it's not supposed to rain today. At least not no more. Careful right there at the car wash. It's pretty slippery coming out. I got that soap and water all in the street. Yeah, hopefully we make it in and out of the Walmart before the rain comes, if it does rain. I'm not trying to get my pretty bike all wet. This is about where we ran out of gas at, where everybody was telling me to go to the other gas stations, but I wanted to go to the one that was closest to the one next to the Dollar General, where I had to get tissue from. I'm about to miss my turn. I need to get over. Feel good to be out here on my bike. I didn't think I was gonna be out here today. It was just wet an hour ago. I wonder if I should go in on the right, or if I just come in through the regular way where everybody come in at. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take Mercury Drive. Alright, we're coming up on the entrance now. See if we can get a parking spot in the front, somewhere close. I guess people noticing us from when we ran out of gas. That video went kind of viral. I didn't think it was gonna go that viral. Didn't expect to run out of gas. Got some parking spots right here. But I'm on a bike. I'm trying to get up front. Like even in a legal parking spot. I don't know. We need to find somewhere soon. I was gonna take the reserved parking spot. Maybe I shouldn't. Yep. I guess I'm gonna park right here. Hopefully don't nobody say anything. Oh, I ran into the buggy. My fault, bro. I didn't mean to throw the buggy at you. I was gonna park right there over there where that Jeep was, but I think they're just repositioning. It wasn't really leaving, so I think I'm gonna park right here. Who think I'm safe? Comment down below if you think I'm gonna come out with my bike towed or get a ticket. Cause we doing this. I gotta give me a cart. Gotta remember I'm in here for one thing. So many people, I get distracted easily. All right. Let's go ahead and get out of here. All right. We all finished this thing. How you doing? Now to what we was in here for. Some mac and cheese and broccoli. We passed the broccoli. I like to go to the back of the store first. Start from the back and work my way up. Need cheese. Forget it. I guess I'm gonna just get it first. Extra sharp. Thicker cut. And maybe Mexican. I feel like my kids like Mexican. I don't see it over here. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. I don't see Mexican, so we're going. Oh, taco blend. Yep, gonna go with that. Now we need some heavy whipping cream. I usually use pet milk, but today I'm gonna use heavy whipping cream because I'm trying to make it quick. And I don't know where the pet milk is. I don't even know where the heavy whipping. Oh, I found it. Yes, sir. I found it. I think 2 should be enough. Now I need noodles. I wonder where the noodles are. Maybe some garlic. I don't got none of that, so if I pass stuff 8 times, trust and believe, it's because I don't shop at Walmart often. I'm just here today. I didn't feel like going to my normal spot. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. And I don't know where I'm going. I need to find the noodles. You go ahead. That's my fault. I probably passed it 3 times already. Damn. We can't find the noodles, cuz somebody help us out. You shop here? You shop here all the time? You know where the noodles at?
Down there now.
Which? That way? Towards the middle?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. I'm just walking back and forth. I don't know which in the hell way I'm going. She said in the middle. I gotta read the things a little bit harder. Cereals, snack cakes, coffee, peanut butter mix. No. Pasta. We found it. Yes, sir. We found the macaroni noodles. We found the macaroni noodles. They're down here somewhere. We're gonna get bow tie. We're gonna get some bow tie noodles today. See how the children like the bow tie noodles. Oh. Now we just gotta get some broccoli. And I forgot my book bag, so I don't even really know how I'm gonna carry this, but. Oh no, you fine. I'm going the wrong way anyway. You got to, man. Got to. I need a bag. Let's just get a nice 2-piece and a biscuit. We'll get a nice 2-piece and a biscuit. Yeah. All right. Ain't that crazy how you can make mac and cheese with just literally nothing? Watch. I could get some mushrooms. Maybe I should. I said I was gonna make mushrooms with it. It's busy in here. I'll just go with this. Oh, I think we gotta put everything back. Damn, I don't have an actual card on me. Let's see. Hey, excuse me. Do y'all do tap to pay?